I'm Eileen.
Hi, I'm Cheri. I have 4 food allergies. Our goal is to provide delicious meal ideas your whole family will enjoy. Today we're making a hot corn salad. But I have to warn you, Eileen, it's spicy.
Muy caliente.
Absolutely. I will be combining corn, Mexican crema made from Cheri's HazelCream, lime, cayenne pepper, and dairy-free feta. In order to make the corn, I started off with 6 ears of corn. I removed the husks, put on seasoning and butter, wrapped them in foil, and grilled them over an open flame. After they cooled, I cut the kernels off. Eileen, show me how to use the zester.
I'm happy to.
Watch your fingers. I'm going to heat all the ingredients together. I'm going to add the feta last. Let's plate it up. Eileen, I can't wait for you to try my roasted corn salad, but be careful, it's spicy. Thank you for watching our video.
We'll see you next time.
Check it out, yo. Check it out, yo.